More snow in the mountains, another day, another adventure. Let's go check it out. All right. A little bit of snow on the drive up, just a couple fresh inches. Should be good. Sun's out. Let's see what we can find. Man, not only is it a steep climb, but you can probably see where for the recent snowfall there was clearly some snowmobilers. Holy cow. Look at that. might not be able to tell on camera, but it is very lightly snowing. Man, it's beautiful up here. You know, when you think of the Northwest, it has so much to offer. I mean, if you've been here before, you have an idea, but if you've never been to the Northwest, they have, I mean, there's so much outdoor stuff, and for all the Pacific Northwest states. Whenever you're snowshoeing and you have to go through a steep spot, whether it's up or down, you always want to avoid the drop-offs and you want to sidestep. But what you want to avoid is anything real steep, because obviously your foot won't be able to catch anything. It'll just slide and it'll go out from under you. So you always want to make sure, and once it starts getting steeper, you turn your body. So like right up here, for example, you sidestep and work your way down. Anything really steep, because if you don't, if you just try to take it straight on, your foot will slide down like that. And obviously you can hurt your leg, but you can also break your snowshoes. That's a pretty awesome spot. Hadn't been up in that area before. Alright guys, almost back down to the bridge for the water crossing. Battery's about to die, so I'm heading back to the vehicle anyway. But I'd really appreciate it if you guys would like the video, if you like it, or any of my other videos. Comment down below, that would really help me out. Knowing if you like what you see, if you don't like it, if it's repetitive, if the shots are redundant, if the camera's too shaky. I try to let the terrain and view speak for itself. I've gotten a couple messages on my Instagram of people telling me their thoughts, but I'd love to be able to hear from here if it's anything specific or not. Almost back to the vehicle, guys. Until next time, get out there and explore. Blooper.